I got another Amazon package. This is more computer parts. Closed one, so I'm gonna unbox it. It's pretty big. You should probably know what it is already. It's for a PC case inside it. The box looks very intact, barely damaged. So I expect the motherboard to be in perfect condition. Yep, it's the motherboard. Gotta be careful. It's just fucking cardboard box. At least it's easy to open. Hope I got the Intel version. Yep, I got the Intel version. It is fucking heavy. Got the shipping label off the back of the package. This is it. So be careful though. Definitely does not look used at all. Let's take a look at the back first. There's all the features. It has Wi-Fi and stuff. With the expansion slots, Bluetooth. It has everything I really need. It's made though, handle DDR5 RAM. Stuff. It only supports Gen 4 solid state drives, but it's not a big deal breaker. The Samsung 990 Pro is still very capable. So let's unbox it. Glad it's not fucking hot in here. It's 90 degrees outside. And AC is working well up now. I'm just had to water at the condenser coils. This is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. It's probably the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna all built into one thing. Oh my god, that's perfect. Just gotta still be very careful. That side. Take a look at the inside of the box. Some SATA cables. As far as I know, screw mounts and stuff, the manuals. I don't really wonder if I could integrate a speaker inside it. If not, it doesn't really matter. Here's some stickers. I just really would like to build it like a speaker inside the tower. It's not really possible like those 1990s PCs. I'm gonna set my phone camera down and take out the package for you. Sorry about that. I just gotta be careful. That is brand new. Let's look at that. Glad I'm getting what I paid for. Just put this up for proof. Oh my god. Just don't want to be rough with it. Just take a look. Is there any bit pins? Looks like there isn't at all. I don't see any bit pins. Very nice. Let's take a closer look here. Nothing's bent at all. Just fucking heavy to shape grip again. But they look all aligned. Perfect. So don't be afraid to purchase stuff off of Amazon. You're not gonna be scammed or anything like that unless you can buy it from a third party. Plus, if you just get like a broken board, you can just always return it for a refund. You can like the USPS truck will pick it up and stuff. I've never had issues with Amazon so far. Only eBay, but those are like third party sellers. But I mostly got good things from them. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.